Hi guys, this is a quick video review of the INIU car phone holder HI320. It's quite an interesting product this because it seems very durable. I have tested it in the car and it seems quite clever actually. So first of all, you've got the holder. When you drop a phone into this, the weight of your phone grips the phone, so it's going nowhere. And you can actually fit, if I show you like that, if you've got a case on your phone, it's not going to be a problem. I mean, that could take a phone that's sort of over 1 centimetre thick and grip it very tightly, and no problem size wise as well. I mean, you're not going to fit a tablet in there, but certainly for phones, it does what it says on the tin. The great thing about this is the clamp. This clips into your air vent, opens up, grips in there, put that over your air vent, clip it down, and it is really tight. It's really good. That clips in the back there with a nut in the bottom of the box, and that tightens up, and it's brilliant. Absolutely fantastic product. Nice quality plastics, it's durable, it's going to last, and it does the job. If you want your phone on display in your car so as you can view it for either sat nav, music, whatever you use it for, ideal product, highly recommended.